Nepal is a developing country. More than half of the population lives in the rural area of the country, where earning opportunities are few and far in between. This holds true especially for women. Despite their hard work, most of the times they are left out. This lack of economic opportunities for women pushes them further in the harsh poverty cycle. When women are able to monetize their work and self-reliant, entire family and the community prospers with them. When women are economically independent, her kids have better chances of going to school. An earning woman creates a ripple of positive change in her community. Organizations such as Association for Craft Producers, ACP, and Women's Skill Development Project, WSDP, which are associated with the Fair Trade Group, FTG, understands the vital contribution entrepreneurial women can make in the society and help them to come out of poverty cycle by creating opportunities through fair trade.
Women Skill Development Project चाहिँ स्थापना भएको 2032 सालमा 1975 मा विशेष गरेर यो संस्थाको उद्देश्य हो पछाडी बसेको महिलाहरू आर्थिक स्थितिबाट कम भएको परिवारबाट अलिकति अपहेलित भएको श्रीमानले अर्को विवाह गरेको भयो श्रीमान बितेर गएको एकल महिलाहरू भयो अनि शारीरिक कमजोर भएको बहिनीहरू उहाँहरूलाई विशेष गरेर अगाडि ल्याउनको लागि आफूले बाँच्नु सक्नु पर्छ र म पनि यो समाजमा बाँच्छु भन्ने आधार बनाउने चाहिँ यो संस्थाको उद्देश्य हो। त्यस्तो महिलाहरूले विशेष गरेर हामीले छनौट गरेर उहाँहरूलाई ट्रेनिङ दिएर अनि स्किल दिएर हामीले त्यसलाई नै उहाँलाई बाँच्ने आधार बनाउँछौं र उहाँहरूलाई बजार खोजिदिने काम चाहिँ यो संस्थाले गर्छ।
ACP deals with the 22 different skill category which translate the product into homewares textile like bed linen, duvet cover, cushion cover, placemat, runner, kitchen textile, drapes and the accessories which comes with it. While doing all these things, I mean, we work with 1,200 producers in different districts of Nepal. I told you 15. Out of 1,200, 90% of whom are women. And we have, we don't only as a fair traders, we feel like obligations like paying fair wage. Besides that, we are determined to look at overall aspects of the woman life, starting from good working condition to good quality raw material, and their medications in their life, preventive as well as curative medical.
They believe that fair trade not only lifts millions of people out of the vicious cycle of poverty, but also helps them to create a positive economic ripple in their society. FTG works with small, often marginalized producers, countless otherwise economically disadvantaged producers to create opportunities, economic self-sufficiency and eradicate poverty through trade and bringing smiles to thousands of faces wherever they work. One of the ways organizations such as ACP and WSDP helps the local producers and artisans here in Nepal, such as Lakshmi Maharjan and Chumaya Pun, is by providing many opportunities to explore the economic possibilities generated through fair trade. They do so by helping the local traders, producers and artisans by identifying the market niche, giving them technical support, imparting them the necessary skills, and equipping them with tools and raw materials that will help them to make their efforts sustainable and rewarding. The technical support and other help we received from the organizations were very helpful, says Sudha.
ACP चाहिँ जस्तै विभिन्न ट्रेनिङ्स त चाहिँ भ्यू का नुनु प्याटर्न त गर्न आयो जस्तै कम्प्युटर त उयो सला जिन सेट हुन्छ तर इन्सान मखना कम्प्युटर गर्न छ सेका वेबसाइट गर्न सर्च या ना इन्सान कम्प्युटर ट्रेनिङ्स त भ्यू ट्रेनिङ दिया चाहिँ जे सबबाट चाहिँ भेज अपग्रेड या यसो हुँदा.
We know what we could do and believed in the skills we had. Even so, the lack of technical support and marketing knowledge deterred us a lot.
जस्तै अपना पिन बाजे दिन पाले ओहो पार्टनर ठेठो प्याटर्न पिगारन आछिस गयो प्याटर्न पिया इन्ड के नि उले उल्टाको कम्पिटिसन जियो पार्टनर के थियो अले जो आउया चाहिँ बजारियो अभाव जुल जस्तै समय अनुसार चाहिँ नुनु प्रोडक्ट देखाउन मफु अर्जुली चाहिँ ठोजा चाहिँ बिस्तार लोप चाहिँ अब चाहिँ खण्डोका ओके माथि आनापला खुल्ला बजार दियो मरो जिसमा पिने कापड हैमको गुल्न प्रोडक्ट जी थाउ या ठन लोकल एरिया प्रोडक्ट जी लोकल मनुटेसन युज है हाले विभिन्न देशमा इन्डिया चाइना कापड सस्तो रङ बालाउ अनि वेबलेला झिउ ठोक ठो टेक्निकल झिउ कापड त्यसमा मतलब कम्पिटिसन या मफुली झिबी रेन्जु लानावना जंले महसुस
Sudha's mother, Lakshmi, had started the weaving center. Lack of technical support, raw materials and market made it difficult for her to keep the operations running for long. Lakshmi closed down the facilities.
बड़ी बाप ने या ठाई ठाव को जे अन किप दे यो या वो ठाई थाना जे छवान्यो थाना बिनो वो देवना जे या मा बिन्दा या बिउगा बाप ने ठाई थासा न ठछ्या यो ठाई थाना न मा बिन्दा या बिया सासु मा बिन्दा या देव बिया ल यो को थाना म फुट सोगा बिया गुजग थाना ठाया मस्त गाला मस्त दु मस्त दा ठिकका स्कुल छ मल वसाइयो न क्यों टंक्यो जा वया गाक दा गुबला बिना वन मा जो यो को मसा या को जा जो बा मन्या ब्ला पिन पिन वन मा फेला वनी जे सम छ्या जना मस्त पेम सोया जना जना
Later, the family restarted the operations once again as support and various assistance from ACP poured in.
When we started ACP, we went to the Lakshmi's village and we tried to tell them that let's start the weaving because it's a traditional weaving village. Most of the producers, weavers are that time had been very discouraged because no incentive, no encouragement in design. They have been weaving the same thing, is so boring, and they have been getting so little money, for the hard work they are doing, and not getting the payment in time and not getting the good payment.
Jida mawal ka ni masaru mi madam waya chenyan nyana wal ka jida la nyana wal la ji napla ta ji khakila na ya flat ka kiano ya la fu tar ji ka kamor saman mor ka ta ya la madam gul ta ko de se tayari af cha ta la एक महीने भित्र तयारी आफर गाटे आ सैंपल से टोटा उन मैडम टोटा उन लजिंग सोई सोई आका छमो बना कापस लेवना न्याना आई के दिन न्याना आया 25-30 मीटर दिन काप रेडी आना बेग एक महीने भित्र अला अना वो सैंपल रेडी जो बला मैडम खुशी जिया मे नो ऑर्डर बिल का.
And Lakshmi, fortunately, she came up front, and because she had an opportunity working with one British designer came to Nepal to study the Newari cloth with Newari design, and Lakshmi had an opportunity to work with her, and the lady introduced Lakshmi to us finally, and Lakshmi came up the front, and then she said, I'll work for ACP, okay? And Lakshmi, as good-natured woman as she is, and she is a believer of two people working and two people earning in the family would make a better life. She can improve her living standard. Not only that, she can educate their children better. Not only that, she can feed their children better. And so because of Lakshmi's help, order was increasing so much, and then we said add on 2 more people, add on 4 more people, and at one peak point, she was supervising 60 women in a village.
Many of the women that the organizations work with, such as Lakshmi and Chumaya, have the skills but lack of opportunities and proper channels to focus their energy most of the time hinder the development. Sometimes the lack of opportunity means that someone is losing out a chance at better livelihood. For Chumaya, who despite being physically challenged, is a talented artisan, WSDP's support meant that she could be economically independent.
अन्नपूर्ण एफएमले हामीलाई एकचोटि बोलाएर एउटा मौका दिनुभएको थियो, महिलाहरूको बारेमा बोल्ने मौका दिनुभएको थियो. त्यो मौका पाएको हुनाले मैले महिलाहरूलाई हामीले यसो ट्रेनिङहरू दिन्छौँ, रोजगारहरू दिन्छौँ। घरमा बसेर यस्तो मान्छेले आत्महत्या गर्नु पर्दैन, काम पाउँछ भन्ने कुराहरू मैले मोटामोटी भनेको थिएँ। त्यो सुनेको आधारमा चाहिँ यो एफएममा सुनेको आधारमा दिदीबहिनीहरू चाहिँ टाढाबाट म्याग्दीबाट सुमाया बहिनी आउनुभयो।
2 जना क्याम्पस पढ्ने बहिनीहरू थियो। अनि यहाँ बिगा पनि सुन्नुभएको रहेछ कि उहाँहरूले। अनि गाउँमा मैले एकदम दुःख पाएको देखेर उहाँहरूले ए दिदी यस्तो अफिस छ भन्ने सुनेछु मैले, जानुहुन्छ दिदी भन्नुभयो। अनि मैले लैदिनुहोस् न त भनेर ल्याएर अनि म्याडमसित कुरा गर्नुभएछ। गएर अनि फेरि मलाई हामीलाई ल्याइदिएर कोठा खोजेर राख्नुभयो। अनि यस्तो पकाउने भाँडाहरू बिस्ताराहरू किनेर दिएर जानुभयो। फेरि पछि हामीले कमाएर उहाँहरूलाई दियो।
यो 2003 मा आइपुग्नु भयो हामी कहाँ। आएपछि मलाई पनि सुरुमा त अलिकति डाउटै लागेको थियो, उहाँले व्यवस्थापन कसरी मिलाउने हो, उहाँलाई सिप पनि छैन, अनि टाढा राख्नु पनि सक्ने अवस्था छैन भनेर नजिकमा राखेर डेरा खोजेर एउटा साथीलाई उहाँको घरको भाडा तिर्दिने गरेर उहाँलाई हामीले सिप सिकाइदियौँ। 2-3 महिनामा उहाँ सिप जानेर आफैले कमाएर आफू खान सक्ने हुनुभयो।
I had a tough time putting behind my past to commit myself in this sector. It was a complete leap of faith for me. Due to my disability, I had not even attended school, and sometimes I had doubt about my capabilities, says Chumaya.
आफै घिर्सिएर हिँड्नुपर्ने, काम गर्नु जान्नु नसक्ने, घरै बसिराख्नु पर्ने, खानै नपाउने दुःख त होइन। यताउति हिँड्नु नसक्ने, घुम्न नसक्ने, काम गर्न जानु नसक्ने, घर एक्लै बस्नुपर्ने, सबै मेलापात जाने, यताउति जाने, म एक्लै बस्नुपर्ने, टाइम पास गर्नु गाह्रो हुने भएर त्यही गाह्रो थियो। एक गाँस खान त जसरी दिनुहुन्थ्यो त्यही टाइम पास गर्न गाह्रो भएर एकदम दुःख लागेको थियो। यहाँ आएर एकदम टाइम पास चाहिँ एकदम रमाइलोसँग जान्छ।
यही नै एउटा खुसीको कुरा हो। अहिले चाहिँ उहाँ आफै बाँच्नुहुन्छ, हामीले संस्थाले एउटा काम मात्रै दिने हो। उहाँले चाहिँ खास गरी उहाँको काम चाहिँ आफू सिक्ने र मात्रै होइन, आफ्नोलाई मात्रै गर्नुहुन्न। अहिले उहाँको अन्तर्गतमा 18-19 जना बहिनीहरू दल बनाउने बहिनीहरू हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँहरूलाई सिकाइ पनि दिनुहुन्छ, उहाँहरूलाई अर्डरको लागि काम पनि दिइदिनुहुन्छ, आफूले पनि काम गर्नुहुन्छ। यो चाहिँ उहाँको एउटा जीवनमा परिवर्तन आएको हो। उहाँको दिनचर्या पनि राम्रोसित गुज्रेको छ। आर्थिकले भन्दा नि मान्छेको जीवन हो, जीवन रमाइलोसँग गएको छ। त्यसले नि म चाहिँ विश्वास गर्छु।
म जस्तै अनपढ मान्छेहरू अरू ठाउँ जागिर रोजगार पाउँदैनन् तर यहाँ आएपछि राम्रो काम पाउनुभएछ, रोजगार पाउनुभएछ, राम्रै दिन बिताउनु।
For Lakshmi and Chumaya, this grim possibility never came to pass. Thanks to the efforts of organizations such as ACP and WSDP, both promoting the values of fair trade.
Many producers who wants to take a risk and move ahead, we really encourage, we would like to see them going ahead, and we provide support wherever needed.
Giving back to the local community, increasing their reliance in their crafts while helping them to earn from what they are doing is what organizations such as ACP and WSDP is all about. ACP and WSDP embodies the principles of fair trade. They believe that with ample fair trading opportunities, countless individuals such as Lakshmi and Chumaya can create a positive ripple in their society.